Hello everyone, today I will show you how to split a PDF file with custom page range using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and this menu bar select your page layout option. Now click on this split option and split dialog box now open, and this is by page range option. Now select your page range. I'll create first 3 pages as a single document, and page number 5 also a single document, and page number 6, and total 3 PDF file we will create. Now select a save folder, same a source folder, or select here another folder. Now select split now created, and see this split document now created here. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.